Whether you enjoy fantasy, survival, or role-playing games, there's an open-world game perfect for you. Open-world games are all about freedom and exploration. These games offer vast landscapes, rich stories, and endless possibilities. Players love the immersive worlds filled with quests, adventures, and secrets. Whether you enjoy fantasy, survival, or role-playing games, there's an open-world game perfect for you. GadInsider has compiled a list of the best open-world games to keep you entertained for months. Horizon Zero Dawn. In this post-apocalyptic adventure, players follow Aloy as she fights machine beasts. The game features breathtaking visuals and an engaging storyline. VALHEIM. Inspired by Norse mythology, this co-op survival game is perfect for friends. Build, craft, and explore stunning biomes full of monsters. Red Dead Redemption 2. Set in the Wild West, this story-rich game features outlaws, epic quests, and beautiful landscapes. It's perfect for exploring and role-playing. Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Become a Viking in this action-packed game set in Northwest Europe. Players can raid enemies, develop settlements, and explore mythical realms. The Elder Scrolls by Skyrim, a classic open-world game with vast landscapes and endless quests. You can spend hours exploring its magical world. The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. This fantasy game offers deep storytelling and exciting adventures. It's filled with detailed lore and intriguing side quests. Genshin Impacts, a vibrant game with a regularly updated world. Explore the regions of Teyvat and complete quests for unique characters. Minecraft, a sandbox game where you can build, explore, and survive. Its procedurally generated world offers endless creativity. No Man's Sky. Explore billions of planets in this procedurally generated universe. Regular updates keep the game fresh. Cyberpunk 2077. Dive into a futuristic world filled with action, hacking, and deep stories. These games promise hours of fun, exploration, and adventure for every type of gamer.